Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to bake a simple moist chocolate cake. It's a quick recipe, even beginners can bake easily at home, and it tastes absolutely wonderful. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. First, let's preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, add 1.5 cups of plain flour, 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, half tablespoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all these ingredients well. To this, add 3/4 cup of buttermilk, 3/4 cup of warm water, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, unflavored oil, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, two large eggs, beat on a medium speed until smooth. This should take around a couple of minutes. In between, scrape the sides and bottom of the mixing bowl. Take a little butter in a tissue and spread all over the sides and bottom of the baking pan. Take a teaspoon of flour and dab it all over the pan. Place a parchment paper in the bottom of the pan. Pour the cake mixture into the pan and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a skewer inserted in the middle comes out clean. Our chocolate cake is done. Transfer the cake onto the rack and allow it to cool completely before frosting. Now let's make buttercream frosting. For that, into a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of softened salted butter. Beat until light and fluffy. Scrape the sides and the bottom of the mixing bowl. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add a cup of powdered sugar in 2 portions. Beat on a high speed for about 3 to 4 minutes or until light and fluffy. In between, scrape the sides of the bowl. Buttercream frosting is silky and smooth. In this stage, if you feel your frosting is getting thick, go ahead and add 1 or 2 tablespoons of milk. I'm going to make a dome cake, so I cut my cake into half and cover them with buttercream frosting. Refrigerate for at least 2 to 3 hours before serving. Decorate your cake with your favorite fruits. I have added some chopped strawberries and blueberries. Give it a try and share it with your family and friends. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more videos, click on the left to check out my previous video. On the right, my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.